What is go? Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that.
Yeah, getting to use the new orbital.
Uh-oh.
Looks really good.
Did that?
No, it's about to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we didn't get there yet.
Oh my god, this ain't done?
No, man.
Holy crap. That's for sure. This is the finished product here. Look at that.
We're not done with our final finish.
Wow.
Yeah.
Durabrad?
Dynabrade? Yeah, they actually make the machine too.
Oh, same brand.
Same brand.
Alright.
This is a signature series working too. Put a couple of dots. Over the shoulder. 5 hours later, you got the hood bumped out.
This is the one that swivel, spins,
Yeah.
and rotates, right?
Yeah, dual action.
Yeah, dual action.
Yeah. Be able to see the difference between the two. It's pretty shiny to begin with.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's already amazing in the beginning. I don't know.
I know, yeah, that's better.
Thick looking.
Yeah.
Woo-wee.
So we got 5 coats of clear on this. It sat about 3 weeks. Put out in the sun pretty much every day. It wasn't raining. And then we decided to cut it down with 800 grit on a plexiglass block. And then we're going to work our way up to probably 800, 1,015. We're going to let it sit out in the sun for a while, then come back and hit it with 2 and 3 and huff it. We might even throw it in the oven if the sun's not out and bake it. But it should look super flat and super shiny. No type of peel to it.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Doing a full car like that.
That's crazy.
Franklin wanted to go back over. Yeah. You know what that is, right? A lot of work.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
You get paid the big bucks.
That's it. This is what wind shows right here. That's how legends are made. Right here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And now we just hit this with the thermometer gun here.
Mm-hmm.
It's 137 degrees. So
What?
yeah, metal temp.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's roasting. Our booth only gets, I think our booth gets 160.
160 degrees inside the booth.
It's inside the booth. But it takes 45 minutes to get there.
Oh, okay.
So if this sits in the sun all day and it's 137.
And not using
Then
power.
you burn all that gas.
Using natural
That's it.
natural power.
Yeah, using the sun's rays. But it buffs up so much easier when you do this. Cut it, and then you just keep going up through the stages and get the scratches out.
Mm-hmm.
And then you let it cure like this in the sun. When you hit it with the wheel, it's just so much easier.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's what you spray with. What? Oh.
He's the one that always went on the bridges and shit.
Yep. Here he is. What is this thing? What are you doing? No choice.
like a guide dog.
That's the thing. Clear coat over it. It looks good. You can hit mine too, half if you want.
Is that a paint? Like, what is? Like, why is it black?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna block it and it shows where all the low spot and all that. I
Oh.
can see that now.
That washes off.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Oh.
sand all that now.
Oh, okay. Hey, I was like, oh my God, you're messing with that. I don't know anything about this.
So now I'm gonna sand all that.
Oh, okay.
See all this here. We're gonna eliminate all that.
Yeah. Okay. Huh.
We need all that here too.
You did this one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It comes in like a, you can put it on my hand with this applicator. This
Okay.
is just so messy, it's easier to spray it on.
Ah.
It's like chalk, like black chalk.
Okay.
And all it does is fall in to all the scratches and your low spots. So if there's like low spots in the clear, you can use it on your bodywork. But then when you sand it and it goes away, you know it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Is he gonna do that now?
Yeah, he's gonna do it.
Okay. And these are already done?
Yeah, we're done.
Interesting.
They're using this paper. Linear blocking tools. They specialize in this stuff, but it's wet sand sticky back taper.
Oh.
It's kind of rare.
So you stick it on a block or?
So you stick it on a piece of.
Oh, yeah.
We're just using a piece of plexiglass. My dad made these blocks. Cut plexiglass to to fit the paper,
Yeah.
and it's flat. That's the flattest you're gonna
And
get.
does it flex or nothing?
Dude. You can only use. You can use them in the corners and stuff, but for this application, we're just using all the straight runs.
Okay. Like this, you use something different.
Yeah. I mean, like if you took that to that, you'd go through the clear coat.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Right.
you just
Gotcha.
try to stay in all the flats,
Gotcha.
not put like chop marks in it, because that's worse. Let's do it. All the spots it's staying in are low.
Gotcha.
He's taking all the high spots off.
Oh.
That's all low.
So then what do you do to it now?
Keep sanding.
Oh.
Like I said, it's a lot of work.
You sand it till the block is gone.
Yeah.
Holy
also,
crap.
if there's like a deep scratch, that stuff will fall in the scratch, and we'll know it's there. We'll have to sand it a little more and
You
get the scratch
can't
out.
see with the naked eye or
Exactly.
lights.
Or you won't know until it's all buffed out.
Yeah.
Like I had a scratch in his hood. He got it all buffed out, and I had to go back and rebuff it because I missed one big scratch.
Really?
Yeah. Daddy sand it all again, so it's better to catch it all now. So
Is there a chance of going too deep?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you still can go sand
Yeah.
off too much.
Oh yeah. Well, we put in the same amount of clear on it,
Mhm.
so we can do this, but there's still a chance you can go through.
Gotcha.
So only trained professionals do this.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not doing it. I run the buffer. See, he's staying away from the edges.
Yeah.
He's not going across the edge. 'Cause the higher it is, the more chance you'll go through.
Gotcha.
He's coming to it, so
Yep.
leaving the black on there so he knows he's not through it or hitting it.
Mm-hmm.
Once he takes all that away, that clear is going to be super flat. Once all that's gone. It's a pretty cool process.
What grid is that? 800. Oh, 800.
Yeah,
I think you said that.
800.
800 grid.
So we're going to go 800, 1,000, to 15.
You'll do this again and again and again?
We're just going to level it with this.
Okay.
And then we're going to go with a smaller block. A little block.
Okay.
And just go across it to get these scratches out.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Once it's flat, you will.
But when I'm doing 8 with this and 8 with the little block,
Okay.
then I go.
Then you go that way.
Oh, okay.
With the little one, I can go
Oh,
here,
the edges.
all this part here.
That's too big to get in there.
Gotcha.
Got a little flex to it.
Yeah.
A little foam.
That's wild.
Yeah, it's a lot of hours, man. A lot of time and a lot of work. The end product, I mean, shows, you know, I mean, just the quality of work.
You go through all the proper steps. You wait for the proper time for everything to dry and cure.
Yeah.
Your end result is, makes it
Immaculate. Yeah. Immaculate.
I'm sure this guy will win a trophy or something.
Yeah.
That was prestigious award. It's pretty much authenticated as far as what we're doing and what he did to it to be all period correct.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, this is probably a little deep.
Is this their normal operation for every car?
It is now, yeah. In every
Wow.
restoration, that's pretty much what we're doing. Yeah. Like this Bronco. Did you see the Bronco?
No, I would wait to see that.
It's been restored like 23 years.
Oh.
So it's got like a little nick from getting in and out of it.
Okay.
We're doing the hood on it. Paint the air cleaner. He's getting rid of all the billet on it. So we're gonna paint it like the body color. So we're gonna paint all this to match the body.
Oh, gotcha.
And then we're gonna spray the air cleaner to match the fenders.
Okay.
Kind of break up some of the
Yeah.
silver and the blue. But it's been done a long time. Doing the mirrors blue.
You guys did this?
No.
Like, oh no.
Yeah. We're gonna go back after that for him. Just kind of spot it in for him.
Yeah.
It's a 5
Cool
inch
truck.
big block in it.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
I don't know what
That's a
year
cool
it is,
truck.
but
Hmm.
it's had a lot of wisdom.
Yeah.
Ran that
Cool.
big ass motor now.
Yeah, it's a nice motor.
Yeah.
That'll turn those wheels.
Oh, yeah, look at the size of the meats back there.
Yeah. Big old boys.
Yeah. The Coddington wheels. Yeah, they're big money wheels.
Yeah, they are. But that thing is smoke on now. Being
Yeah.
light. Hmm.
We just shot the floor in this.
Oh, really?
You
Look
like
at
that,
that. Oh, my.
I can do this.
Is that the finished product?
That's the finished product.
Wow.
Yeah. You know how hard it was to paint that?
Is it?
That's all horrible. All
Like,
the nooks
'cause
and
it-
crannies. Yeah.
Upside down? And
Yeah.
Who did that?
Hobby. Yeah. He's the best ambidextrous.
He's the man.
Yeah. Did a lot of Volkswagens over in Puerto Rico,
Did he?
and they're real particular with getting everything shiny and body color.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think we're doing too much in here. I think that's how it was back
Oh,
then.
okay.
It'll say
Carpet.
Just carpet, yeah.
Yeah, this puppy's ready.
Yep.